I'm Tanika Labas, here to help you to learn more different techniques in editing any image with Adobe Photoshop CS5. So come and join me on my journey to discover more things in dealing with photo editing and enhancing. For today's tutorial, I want you to learn about how to blend photos like a Hollywood movie poster with Google Images in Photoshop CS5. This tutorial is originally written by Steve Patterson. In this photo effects tutorial, we'll learn how to blend two photos together like a movie poster. This is a completely revised update to the original version of the tutorial. Photoshop makes it easy to blend photos together using layer masks. So, come and join me in this journey. Resolution of 300 pixels per inch, color mode of RGB color with 8-bit, and the background content of white, so we can have a better result. Here it is. Then, open your web browser to Google Images. Then, you can pick your own image any way you want, like this. This is a wonderful image. So, if you want to pick this image, right-click and click Copy Image. After which, you can go back to Adobe Photoshop CS5. Then, press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste the image, and now you can see it. Afterwards, you can resize this image and move it upwards. You can do it by clicking Ctrl T for the free transform tool. So, move it upwards first, then resize it, and click Enter. It is up to you how do you resize it. You can go back to Google Images on your web browser. Then find another photo. This photo especially suits my liking, so I will copy this again. So right click, copy image. Then go back to Photoshop CS5. Then copy it and paste it here. After which, resize your image by using Ctrl T. Then move it downwards, adjust it, there. Now we have two images in just one document. Next, we will merge the background layer and the layer 1 by using the Control key on your keyboard. Then, right-click it and click the Merge Layers option. Now, you can see the two layers now merged. Then, we will rename our background layer. We can do it by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard and clicking the background layer found in the Layers panel twice. See? Your background is unlocked and renamed into Layer 0 immediately. Next, let's blend our two images together using a layer mask. Select Layer 2 In the Layers panel, if it's not still selected, then click on the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here, Layer Mask. Nothing will happen to the image in the document window, but we now see a white-filled layer mask thumbnail on layer 2, letting us know that we have added our mask. We also see a white highlight border around the thumbnail, which tells us the mask, not the photo on the layer, is selected. Okay, next. Select Photoshop's Gradient tool at the Tools panel, here. Next, with the Gradient tool selected, click on the Gradient Preview bar on the far left of the Objects bar along the top of the screen. This opens the Gradient Editor, and on the top is a collection of small thumbnails, each representing a different present gradient. Click on the black and white gradient thumbnail to select it at the top row, third from the left, so this one. Next, click OK and close out the gradient editor. So, here, finished. Next, drag out the black and white gradient on the layer mask with the Shift key. Drag it at the topmost part of the second image until the bottom and release the Shift key. Now, we need to merge the two layers into one. So, again, we need to click both images with the use of the Control key on your keyboard. Then, right-click and click the Merge Layers option. There, the two layers are now merged into one. Let's add a little noise to help the two images blend more seamlessly together. Go up to the Filter menu and the top of the screen. Choose Noise option and click Add Noise. This opens the Add Noise dialog box. First, set the distribution into Gaussian and make sure the monochromatic option at the bottom is checked. Next, set the amount value by dragging the slider a little towards the right, depending on your image. A value between 2 to 6% usually works best, and it will depend on the size of your image. Don't add too much noise or you'll make the image look overly grainy. We just need to add enough noise to add a little bit much of uniform texture. When you're done, click OK to close out the dialog box. So in my case, I'll use 6% or 4 better, or 2 or 2. There, finished! To save your file, click the File menu and click Save As and change the file name into Hollywood Poster. After which, change the format into JPEG. Then click Save. Then you can see the JPEG options. So the matte will be none. The quality should be 12 since it is the maximum. And click OK. There! You just created a new and wonderful Hollywood poster. You can add some text if you want by clicking the text icon in the Tools panel. You can also add more filters, change the hue or saturation, make it into black or white, and many more to have a beautiful poster. Thank you guys for joining me. Once again, Tony Labas here on Flying Big Photography, here to help learn more different techniques in editing any image with Adobe Photoshop CS5. Good day to all.